Have you ever seen a river cut off one of its own bends? Let's take a look. On wide open land, rivers don't flow straight for long. They start to curve, forming what we call meanders. The water flows more quickly on the outside of the bend. It erodes the bank, carving it away bit by bit. Meanwhile, on the inside of the bend, the water slows down and drops its load of sediment, gradually building up new land. Over time, the bend becomes tighter. Eventually, during a flood, the river takes a shortcut, cutting straight through the narrowest part of the meander. The original bend gets left behind. It's sealed off from the main channel and becomes an oxbow lake, shaped like a bow, but with no river running through it. And then it starts again, a curve. Erosion. Deposition. A shortcut, often after times of heavy rainfall. And that is how an oxbow lake is formed.